So we have all of these boards set up. I have 500 pounds of kalo for you folks to count. And since you're all chefs, they said you're all very good at what you do. We'll see how good you are at making poi. Strike, strike, strike. Strike, strike. Touch water, touch a stone. There you go, just like that, just like that.
So welcome to Kaka'oiwi, you guys. My name is Kalo Domingo. Let's work on some taro today. Today we're gonna take them off. We're just basically gonna cook this down, and then we're gonna focus more on the luau today.
The leaves you call the luau.
We talked so much about luau today, about the taro leaves, the lau, that nice piece of pork wrapped in the taro leaves. We're gonna untie it, roll it onto your plate. Ola halua, ola.
Kalo to the world.
Welcome to Hei'a Fish Pond. Each of these makaha, each of these hales, that's where our ponds breathe. The health and the wellness of this fish pond is directly related to the health and wellness of our O'ahu Kaua'i.
Oh my, look at it, Mike. This area you at now, it's called Pe'e Kaua'i. Pe'e means to hide or hidden. Kaua'i is the island. All right, gang. So just came from the lo'i, the luau leaf that we picked, and we're gonna look at what came about our lau we made today. I don't think this is the family style one, but we're gonna open them anyways. Oh, somebody put plenty luau. It's the kind we like. So simple, easy, and then the guy with the salt.
Salt bed.
Yeah. And the values you may learn through mo'olelo, to the stories we talk about today. I'd like you to take it and find your kulaiwi, whether it's a physical place or whether it's within us.